Okay. You record the video.
Ready.
You find marks of the meat on Rauda.
Yes, if you comment, I met the forensic expert team and I asked, what are these marks which are present on Rauda's neck? I have seen all those marks and they are bruise marks caused by manual strangulation from the hand. And it is very clearly visible, all these bruise marks on the neck. And when I asked, the doctor, he has taken a piece of paper from his pocket and he was telling me, this is the medical definition of birthmark. I said, I don't want to listen, what is the medical definition of birthmark? I know what is a birthmark, or else if you tell me what is a birthmark. He told me it's present from from the birth, okay. And I told I'm the dad of my kid, okay. And how can there be a birthmark which we have not seen? Can it come after 21 years of life? Then he said no. Then I said these are the marks caused by manual strangulation on her neck, and her case is not a suicidal case, and her case is a case of murder. And it's but just by saying this is a birthmark, it's an insult to medical science. It's an insult to forensic science. There is a limit to tell lies. That is why I'm telling them, please reveal the truth. Please reveal the truth. What is the truth behind Rauda's murder? Who is responsible for this? That is why I'm asking repeatedly from the investigation departments also, please do a fair and thorough investigation of the case, and the truth can be known, and justice can be given to my daughter. Thank you.
Okay. Chef কোনটা টিপতে হবে মোড়ার ভাই সমর ভাই চলে আসুন আপনি এটা না উপরটা শেপ
Stop the